Vacuum circuit breaker and their types. Vacuum circuit breakers can be classified based on the installation method of the pole into two types: pole-mounted insulation cylinder and pole-enclosed epoxy resin casting.
Voltage categories of circuit breakers. Circuit breakers are generally categorized into high, medium, and low voltage. Medium voltage is typically between 6-35 kV, low voltage is below 6 kV, and high voltage is above 35 kV. Ultra-high voltage levels also exist, such as 500 kV and 1000 kV. Low-voltage circuit breakers often include molded case and universal circuit breakers. For medium voltage, there are oil, vacuum, SF6, and permanent magnet circuit breakers.
Classification by arc extinguishing medium. Oil circuit breaker uses transformer oil as the medium for arc extinguishing, with contacts breaking in the oil. Compressed air circuit breaker utilizes compressed air as both the arc extinguishing and insulating medium, with air pressure typically ranging from 1013 to 4050 to kPa 10 to 40 atm. SF6 circuit breaker employs SF6 gas as the arc extinguishing medium, which also serves as an insulator.